back to Drive Insight, the home of the most thrilling, luxurious, and boundary-pushing machines on wheels. Today, we're diving into a true beast of the road, something that's not just a vehicle, but a mansion on 18 wheels. Say hello to the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome. If you ever dreamed of owning a luxury home that moves with you across the country without sacrificing space, comfort, or power, then this motorhome is your dream brought to life on a truck chassis. The Kenworth T-2000 has always been known for its long-haul capabilities. But when you take this commercial-grade truck and hand it over to some of the best motorhome conversion companies, it becomes something far greater than a truck. It becomes a home, a fortress, and a five-star hotel on wheels. From its thunderous engine to the plush leather couches, and from solar-powered sustainability to tech-laced convenience, the 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome is engineered to defy the very definition of travel. So buckle up. We're taking a long, luxurious ride through every detail, feature, advantage, and consideration of this motorhome. Whether you're planning to live on the road, escape the routine, or just want to experience life on your own terms, this one's for you. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the powertrain. Underneath that enormous and aerodynamic hood lies a Cummins X15 turbo diesel engine, delivering a staggering 605 horsepower. That's enough to tow another motorhome behind it if you wanted to. The torque? Over 2,000 pound-feet. This truck isn't just strong, it's built for the long haul, the uphill battles, and the wide-open interstates that stretch across the horizon. And with its 18-speed automated manual transmission, you get both the raw power of a diesel rig and the ease of a high-end luxury vehicle. Fuel economy isn't something you'd expect in a 605 horsepower beast, but thanks to modern engine efficiency systems and aerodynamic improvements, the T-2000 gets surprisingly decent mileage for its class. That being said, let's be real, this isn't a Prius. You buy this vehicle knowing you're paying for power, presence, and capability. And with its 300-gallon dual fuel tanks, you can cruise across states before needing a refill. But the real magic begins when you step inside. The cabin is completely transformed, forget about sleeper cabins. This is an apartment, no, a penthouse on wheels. You're greeted with hand-stitched leather seating, a king-sized bed, imported hardwood cabinetry, marble countertops, and solid surface flooring. Think of it as a luxury condo that just happens to be riding on an 18-wheeler. The living room features a massive 55-inch 4K smart TV mounted in front of an electric fireplace. Yes, a fireplace. Surround sound speakers are built into the ceiling, and ambient LED lighting can be adjusted to match your mood, relax, energize, or sleep. Want a night in? Stream your favorite Netflix show with satellite internet. Want a game night? Pull out the convertible table and play cards or chess with your guests. The kitchen is equipped with a full-size fridge and freezer, a convection microwave oven, a dual-burner induction cooktop, and even a dishwasher. All of it is powered by onboard lithium batteries and solar panels, so you can cook, clean, and chill your drinks completely off-grid. Water storage? Oh, it's more than enough. With a 1,000-gallon fresh water tank, a 700-gallon gray water tank, and advanced filtration systems, this motorhome is ready for extended wilderness adventures without needing hookups. There's even a high-pressure outdoor shower for rinsing off after a day in the wild. Let's talk bathrooms, yes, plural if you go for the custom dual bath layout. We're talking porcelain toilets, rainfall showers with tile interiors, premium faucets, heated floors, towel warmers, and ample mirror lighting. It's like stepping into a luxury spa that just happens to be parked on a mountain cliff. Every system is connected. Climate control is smart. Lighting is smart. The security system has facial recognition and mobile alerts. There's GPS tracking, a built-in alarm, cameras all around, and a secure Wi-Fi mesh system to keep you connected anywhere. Even the driver's cockpit is a tech haven. You get a fully digital dash, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, and voice-activated navigation. Driving this 45-foot masterpiece feels like piloting a private jet with wheels. And what about customization? That's the best part. Everything from the leather stitching to the color palette, from the type of wood to the size of the bed, and even the layout of the bathroom and lounge, can be fully personalized. You can even install an office space with dual monitors and a satellite link, making this a truly mobile workplace for digital nomads, executives, or creators on the go. Now let's talk price. The 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome starts at around $350,000. That's roughly PKR 97 million, depending on exchange rates and custom duties. And that's just the base model. With upgrades, luxury finishes, solar packages, and full customization, you could easily see that price climb to $500,000 or more. But here's the thing, you're not just buying a vehicle. You're buying freedom, independence, mobility, and comfort on a level most people will never experience. Let's be honest, this is not for everyone. It's massive. It requires commercial-level skills to handle, unless you hire a driver. It's not going to fit in any average parking space. And the fuel bills are going to be higher than your local economy car. But for the right owner, none of that matters. Because this isn't a compromise. This is the road lived on your terms. And it's not just about moving from point A to B, it's about loving every moment of the journey. Watching the sunrise from the Rocky Mountains, parking by a lakeside in Canada, or enjoying a thunderstorm from the warmth of your fireplace-lit cabin, all from the comfort of your Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome. Some owners use it as a permanent home, saving thousands each year in rent or property taxes. Others use it as a mobile vacation unit, traveling with family, friends, or pets. A few even use it for work, combining productivity and adventure in one stunning package. And let's not forget towing. You can hook up your favorite car, motorcycle, jet skis, even another trailer behind it, and the Cummins X15 won't even flinch. It's like having an entire base camp with you, wherever you go. Reliability is another key strength. Kenworth is built for life on the road. Heavy-duty suspension, commercial-grade axles, air brakes, and steel reinforcements make this RV more durable than your average luxury vehicle. You don't have to worry about rough roads, heavy loads, or time on the road. This thing is built to endure and perform. When it comes to off-grid life, the 2026 model is fully ready. With 1,500-watt solar panels, lithium-ion batteries, a power management system, satellite internet, and Starlink compatibility, you can live weeks without plugging in. Whether you're deep in the forest or out in the desert, you have everything you need right there with you. Let's wrap this up. The 2026 Kenworth T-2000 Motorhome isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's about breaking free from the ordinary. Whether you're chasing sunsets, building a business from the road, or creating memories with loved ones, this machine makes it possible. And if you've made it this far into the video, you clearly have a passion for powerful, luxurious, and life-changing vehicles. At Drive Insight, we bring you the best of the best, from electric hypercars to all-terrain beasts like this Kenworth. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more incredible vehicles like this one, don't forget to subscribe to Drive Insight, hit the like button, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big, driving far, and living free.